Meaning of gauzy.
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 Gauzy. The term gauzy describes a fabric that is sheer, lightweight and delicate. It is often used to describe fabrics that have a loose weave or an open mesh structure. Gauzy fabrics are typically made from natural fibers such as cotton, silk, or linen. They are known for their soft and breathable qualities, making them ideal for summer clothing or decorative overlays. When worn, gauzy fabrics can give off an ethereal and romantic vibe, as they allow a bit of light to pass through and create a dreamy effect. Overall, gauzy fabrics are a beautiful and whimsical option for a variety of applications.